e te pō, e te eo, te eo, te ao, te pai ao, te ao mārama. A tihei mauri ora. Ko tū te māpau rawa ko maunga tapu te maunga. Ko te hoere te awa, ko te hoere te moana, rawa ko rau kawa kawa. E kai a waro te tipua, e te hora te marae, ko rupe a rua paka te whare nui, e te kai au wāhine te whare kai, e te hoere, e te whakaruru hau. Tihei mauri ora. Ngāti Kuia have been here for hundreds of years. We're tangata whenua of this rohe. Te wānga nui o te tauihu o te waka a Māui. Our tūpuna have come from the Pacific, from Maui to Kupe to mātua hautere to the descendants of mātua hautere that we have here in Ngāti Kuia today. Our marae is at Te Hora Canvas Town. We have our other areas, Titi Raukawa, just on the other side of the river, which is our centre of excellence that we're doing our training. A lot of ventures. One of those ventures was building the waka, having carving, getting people introduced into taiao, kaitiakitanga of our natural environment, our rohe o Tangaroa, our rohe o Tāne Mahuta. The maunga that I mentioned was Maunga Tapu. Maunga Tapu is just at the top of this hill, and it's one of the sources of te hoere, our water, wai Māori, wai Ngāti Kuia. This very significant place for us. Mātua hautere, one of our founding ancestors, took his waka, te hoere, up this river to the bottom of Maunga Tapu. He was following the pathway that was left to him by his ancestor Kupe. He left it in the form of a mauri, and it was placed at the entrance of Te Hoere by a place called Kaimahi. And Kaimahi was a place where Mātua hautere went back to. He recited karakia, and a dolphin, a aihi, rose up to greet him, and that dolphin was Kai Awaro.
Kai Awaro is the iconic figure for Ngāti Kuia.
Many people have taken different names for Kai Awaro, and one of those famous names is Flourish Jack.
Kai Awaro guided Mātua hautere into the Pelorus Sound. Once they got to the junction of the Kaituna and the Pelorus River, where the fresh water and the salt water mingle, Kai Awaro then is said to have carved out the bottom end of the river with his nose. Mātua hautere's descendants then populate the area.
Our tūpuna, the travels from the Pacific, they're navigating their ways up through the waterways and up into the rivers to find the places for our people to occupy and to live. Was one of the great deeds that Mātua hautere did for us.
So if we go back to Meretoto, the Kurahopo iwi have a long association with that place. There's always been a resident population in the Sounds. And I suppose when you race forward to the 1820s, when other European explorers arrived, people like Bellinghausen, that's who he met, with the descendants of those people who met Cook. Cook recorded in his journals who he met, so he talks a lot about Kahuta. Kahuta married a woman called Roanaki, and we know she was a Ngāti Kuia, Rangitāne and Ngāti Apa woman. We've got the names of people who were living out there, and we've got the whakapapa of those people. We know who the descendants of Kahuta are. They live here in the Wairau. Some of them live further north, but there's big bunches of those families who descend from Kahuta are still here. Ngāti Kuia are those people that have an intrinsic and a whakapapa connection to Kai Awaro.